Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another how-to video on my YouTube channel, and in today's video we'll be looking at how to shoot broad and short lights using just one light. I'll be using a 90cm deep octabox with the joeydutch AD600. We have our beautiful model here with her beautiful natural hair and this beautiful makeup. I think she is Nana Joa, right? So I'll link her handle down in the description below. The makeup was done by a foreign makeup artist who's just visiting Ghana. I think I'll just bring it into the video. So yeah, this is Maka the MUA. You can check it out. You can check this girl out, and you can also check my handle out. So without talking too much, we'll just get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon, and also don't forget to share, like, and do whatever it is you have to do to this video so that it goes very far. I'll see you. Peace. Alright guys, I'll be using the Canon 6D today, not the usual Canon 5D Mark IV, but with the 100mm f2.8 lens and the joeydutch X2T trigger mounted on a normal tripod which we've improvised to, shoot portrait. So kindly take a step to my left. My left to this way, come this way. Yeah, that's fine, get closer to the light. So what I do, take a step back. Take a step back. Yes, that's fine. What I normally do when I'm shooting one light is to feather the light more. So what short light and broad light is all about is more or less how you position your subject. So tilt towards the light a little bit, right? And what I'm about to show you right now is she tilting her face towards the light. This side of her face becomes more broad compared to this side. So you see that it's more on which face is facing the camera. So at the moment, if I should get behind my camera, I can see this side of her face more compared to this side. So I'll take a quick test shot, which I have my settings at f9, ISO 100, shutter speed 1/160, and flash power at 1/8 of the stop. So let's focus. Alright, let's do it again. Yeah, the chin down. No. Bring the face. Look at me. Yeah, that's fine. Chin up a little bit. Keep that. Alright, so this is short light, right? I can also change the direction. Let it come from the back this way. It also ends up being a bit of side lights, but the same position here. So yeah, that's fine. Look towards the monitor. Not too far though. Yes. I think. I like the smile. Yes. Now this is short lighting. The problem here is we have a lot of shadows here. So what I can do to fill in the shadows is to introduce a reflector. I'll introduce my assistant to Godfrey. Please come and help me. Get closer. Yes. So what you can do with the reflector is to fill in the light from that side so that you have majority of the lights on her short side, which is the short light. Then the reflector will fill in. Kindly send the reflector in more. Yes, so now this is short light. For broad lighting, something about short lighting too. Short lighting is not forgiven when your subject is facing you directly. So I'll take a test shot. It makes the face look weird. And the idea is to shoot the feminine gender or the female gender to let her look flattering. So this is broad lighting. Broad lighting is forgiving when you have the subject facing you. So this is the forgiving side. Right, the subject face is lit. Now send the face the same here. Then take this last shot. And you can see this side of her face also being lit. And that's her broad side. So in all, thank you very much. In all, this is short light and broad light. I hope I didn't exceed the normal 5 minutes I do all the time. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe as usual. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. Don't forget to check her out and the makeup artist out. And I'll link also my handle down in the description below. Share this video so that other people can learn. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.